Tama ka. Ang free reviews natin sa EUCSE is hanggang January 7 lang. So we still have December 28, January 4, and January 7 para sa ating libreng tutorials. Starting from January 12 up to dulo, which is February 28, it won't be free anymore. It will be 800 pesos. So ano bang meron dito sa main training sessions? Tara, silipin natin. So for our main training sessions, we have two types of classes, Class Bagwis and Class Bigkis. Ano bang meron dito sa dalawa? So Class Bagwis simply means wings, lipad. Tuturuan namin kayo lumipad. Paano? We'll start from the ground. Ano ba yung basics na alam natin dapat lahat? For example, there's arithmetic and geometric sequence formulas na dapat alam natin lahat. Then natin siya ituturo sa basics. Start tayo from the ground. And then from there, tuturuan namin kayo lumipad pataas. Paano namin kayo bibigyan ng mga pakpak by giving you high level or UP Ateneo level questions like this one, na simpleng algebra lang naman siya, but from arithmetic naging geometric sequence siya, paano niya siya isosolve? Or this one, na simpleng divisibility rules, yes, but what if gamitin natin arithmetic sequence formula, mas mapapabilis siya, okay? Bigyan namin kayo ng techniques kung paano mag-solve ang mga taga-Ateneo and UP para mas mapabilis, para matuto kayong lumipad. Gamit yung basics at yung mga pakpak, lilipad tayo pataas. That's class Bagwis. Then for class Big Keys naman siya nasa kabilang panig. From basics, pababa sa fundamentals. Why? Because we need to accept that not everyone can fly right away. Kailangan nating isipin yung mga hindi pa kayang lumipad, aalagaan natin sila. Mag-start tayo pababa sa fundamentals. For example, these properties of exponents or this simple laws of equations, paano siya sinasolve? But if pag-solve pa lang ng x, hirap na yung tao. Okay, we need to accept na merong mga ganun. Hindi natin sila iiwanan. Sasama natin sila sa paglipad, pero tutulungan muna natin silang makarating dito sa ground, dito sa basics. Okay? So to summarize, ang class Bagwis is from the ground up. Palipad tayo dyan. Yung class Big Keys is this everything. Okay? Lilipad din sila. Mag-start lang muna sila sa fundamentals. May dagdag silang sessions dito sa ilalim na to. Tapos saka natin sila aakitin lumipad kasama nating lahat. Okay? So paano yung sessions nan? We have 7 days in a week. Ang class ng Bagwis is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Ibig sabihin, 3 times a week meron tayong gagawin na from basics to paglipad. Ang class Big Keys is plus. Ibig sabihin, kasama rin dito ang class Big Keys. Every time na may session ng Bagwis is kasabay nilang Big Keys. You just have a plus. Meron silang additional every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Kumbaga, lahat ng ginagawa natin sa paglipad is malalaman din ng class Big Keys yun. Pero meron silang additional practice para dito. From basics pababa sa fundamentals every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay? So this is designed such that yung medyo magagaling na, they would only need 3 times a week to spend sa training natin from the ground, palipad. Pero yung mga hindi pa masyado magagaling, siyempre hindi natin sila iiwanan. Bigyan natin sila ng additional trainings para makasabay sila sa atin. Okay, yun yung difference natin. Kailangan nating i-account na meron magagaling na, hindi natin sasayangin yung oras nila. Pero yung mga kailangan pa ng tulong, hindi naman natin sila iiwan. Kaya meron tayong class bagwis and class bigkis. So if you have any other questions, just message the page or PM me. I'll be happy to entertain you. Tara, sama-sama nating drugin ng civil service exam.